Ever since humans first looked up at the stars, we've dreamed of reaching them.
It was this extraordinary frontier of the human spirit and human exploration.
When humans finally traveled to the moon, that dream became a reality.
It's one small step for man.
Or did it?
I have physical evidence, 100% proof, they really didn't go to the moon. Until these people are caught, they will keep stealing truth from the public.
You're a coward and a liar and a thief.
On Conspiracy, we ask, were the moon landings the most elaborate hoax in human history?
Those photographs, they weren't taken on the moon, they were taken here on Earth.
Plus, was there a secret Soviet conspiracy to hide the deaths of cosmonauts in space?
People began to suspect that Moscow would say anything and lie about anything if it came to their space program.
And are humans traveling the solar system using alien technology?
It was a very exotic craft, so it didn't look man-made at all.
There's been a base on Mars for the last 20 years, and those people can go and stay there for years on end.